Hello everyone, welcome back to Google Sheet Pro. In today's video, I will show you how to get the current date and time in Excel or Google Sheets and how you can use this in different applications. For example, if you need the current date and time, you can use the Now function in Google Sheet or Excel. Here, how you do it: in the cell where you want the values to appear, type is equal to and then now. Open and close the bracket. And press enter. You see that the current date and time, including the hours, minutes, second, and appears in the cell. This is a basic but very useful function that you can use in many situations. For example, if you are printing out of documents and want to track the exact time of printing, or if you want to know the current time whenever you open the sheet. Every time you refresh the sheet, the second will update. For instance, if I refresh now, you see the seconds change. This means that every time you open or refresh the sheet, it will show you the current time. So based on this video, you can use the Now function to always have the most up-to-date time. I hope this video helped you understand how to use the Now function. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you.